Okay, so now I'm going to quickly show you where all of your blog content is. So you can see here that you've got home, about, courses, blog, contact. Let's click on home. We've got about, courses, and blog takes us to this page, okay, which is where all of our blogs are. So where is this page? So I'm going to go back into our dashboard by going up to the top left-hand side of the screen to hover over Motorbike Hero and go to dashboard. So now we're back in the back end of our WordPress site. So our blog page is in pages. It's not in posts. So I just want you to just get your head around this. So pages are static pages on your site. They're pages that are always there. They don't usually change. On the other hand, posts are your blog posts, and they are always updating. They are, so you have the latest blog posts. They're usually time-based. Okay, so those are posts. Here, your blog page is a page. It is not a post, but blog posts go within your blog in a blog post module. Okay, and this blog page will automatically update with your latest posts. So whenever you create a new post, a new article, and a new blog post, it will automatically update here onto your blog page. So people can, when people go, hold on a second, let's go visit site. When people go to blog, you don't need to manually, add a new module or add a new row and say, I want to put a link in here, put the image in here. You don't have to, make it every single time. You basically set the styling once, and every single time you add a new blog post, it's going to update. So that is really, really, really handy. And it can be even more powerful, but we'll go through that in the future. So here is your blog page. This blog page here is this page here. Okay, it looks like this. Now these posts here, there's only 3 of them, and we give you 3 in your template as dummy posts. They are here. So if we click on posts, we got blog post 1, blog post 2, blog post 3. So that's the title of them. Obviously you wouldn't title that though. That's just dummy text. So blog post 1, blog post 2, blog post 3. Now if we go into there, so we click on it, which is the same as clicking edit, it's going to have this little pop-up saying welcome to the block editor. It is the new editor that comes with WordPress. It's called the Gutenberg editor. I don't know why it's called that. I'm assuming it's named after someone, Gutenberg. So it's pretty much, it's very similar to Divi in a way, a much more simpler, but it's basically like drag and drop blocks, like Divi kind of uses different blocks. But we can get rid of that. Don't worry about that. It's just telling you that it exists. And here is the back end of a blog post. So it looks very similar to a page. Technically, it's exactly the same as a page, but it's a different type. So this is where your blog post is. Now, where is all the content? It is, I believe if you click on Edit with Divi Builder, I should know this. Here it is. Okay. And you might be wondering, why is this looking different? So here we've got this blue section. It should take up the entire page, shouldn't it? Well, it should, but it is, there's a setting there that is saying, no, put this post within a template. And all blog posts have a certain template where it gives you a sidebar here. So it cuts the page off here. Blog post, it gives you the title, and then it puts in this metadata here, so the date, the author, and it puts in the featured image here, and then it says add whatever content you want to add in there using the Divi Builder to style all of that. Okay, and You can do it this way if you want, but I would recommend not to do that. Anyways, we're going to exit the Visual Builder. So here, let's go to Edit Post. We can go return to the default editor, which means let's not use the Divi Builder. And now here, we can start like writing in whatever content that we want to write in, okay? And if we click on this blue button, Add Block, then we can, you know, add a paragraph, heading, blah, blah, blah. But we won't go into that now. I just wanted to show you where all that content was. If we go use a Divi Builder, edit with the Divi Builder, then all this information here is being taken from this blog post here. So lorem ipsum dollar sit, I'm at that there is this here, and that's the title there. And the featured image, this where we can add that, and we highly recommend that you have a featured image for all of your blog posts. If we edit the post and we go into this area, the way you put your featured image is here on the right sidebar, and you can either remove featured image or replace it with one that you want. Okay, and just to demonstrate to you, if I go back, how this works, if I go add new, latest blog post, and I'm just going to create a dummy blog post. I'm going to hit, maybe I'll add a featured image, set featured image. I'll grab anything like that and publish. I'm ready to publish, yes. So I went past that quite quickly, but it was just giving me a confirmation pop-up just to say, do you really want to publish? And I'm saying yes. So latest blog post is now live. Let's go view that post. Here we go. So now we've got latest blog post as the title. It's made by me on this date. It's uncategorized, got 0 comments, and here's the featured image. There's no content here, but it's got a comments area down the bottom, because down here somewhere I've got a setting that says discussion, allow comments. So now it's just adding the comments thing to the bottom of it. Okay, now let's go to our blog page. We'll hit the refresh button, and look, here it is there, latest blog post. So that is how it all works. Our blog page has a blog module, a blog content module inside it, which is always updating with the latest posts. So just wanted to show you how that works. And yeah, so now you understand how the blogs work, and I'll see you in the next video.